Alright, the carb is here. Let's unbox it and check it out. So lucky thing I was home today because I had to sign for it. Oh man, I cut my chair. Okay, I'm gonna try to hold the camera here and not cut my chair up like I did earlier. So, what do we have here? We have a 40-something-year-old, let's see here, I'm going to say 43-year-old carb that has never, ever been used. Let's see what she looks like. It's like a tomb of a mummy. So I'm assuming this is the original box it came in. Got some more stuff. Trying to get somewhere. Oh, wow, that does look new. Wow, it looks even better in person. Dude, look at that. Wow. That's incredible. Look at that, guys. That is so cool. Everything is brand new. Look at that. Wow. Something else. Well, let's get it out. It's out of the box. And it is just perfect. All the mechanisms. Screw. AC idle bump. This is for the fuel bowl vent for emissions. This right here gets sucked into the purge valve.